Calobra, Coll dels Reis, is a climb in the region of the Sierra Tramuntana. It is 10.2 kilometers long and bridges 108 vertical meters with an average gradient of 7%. The top of the ascent is located at 721 meters above sea level. Antonio Parietti Coll was a Spanish road engineer from the 20th century. His most famous designs can be found on Mallorca, especially the snake road to Cala Tuent and the road to Cap de Formentor. Antonio Parietti was born in Palma de Mallorca in 1899 to an Italian father and Mallorcan mother, and died in 1979 in the same city. At the beginning of the 20th century, when Mallorca was still sparsely populated and there was hardly any motor vehicles, the island was still natural and spoiled. The island had a lot of potential as a tourist destination. The challenge was actually to get better access to all the beauty that could be found on the island.
Highly recommend this climb, Calobra. I went from Cala Tuent up to Calobra. It's probably the most famous climb in Mallorca. Pretty tough, lots of hairpin bends. Advised not to do it at 2 o'clock in the afternoon like I just have done in August. It's super hot, but there's some lovely streams on the way up that I could cool off in, so I got a little bit of a respite. But yeah, highly recommended if you're a bike rider to come and check this climb out.
Cala Tuent is a sand and gravel beach located between Punta Sacorda and Morro Forat, at the foot of the Puig Mayor, that sits at 1,444 meters above sea level. It is the highest peak in all of Balearic Islands.
The Calobra's about a 70k round trip from Palma, so it's a long way if you're going to do the ride. So we've come down today with a picnic. My mum and Naveen have been on the beach having a nice time while I went and did the ride, and then obviously come back and had a nice dip in the sea to cool down. So yeah, it's definitely worth it. It's an amazing ride, and as you can see from the scenery, it's absolutely stunning.
The beach itself has no services, so you should bring water or any picnic. But on the left side you will see some stairs that lead to a lovely restaurant that's called Es Verget.